So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. I have had a very productive day. Y'all, I've completed so many concepts today that it's ridiculous. I've create, or what do you call it, made over a lot of my Valentine's baskets, and just gotten a whole bunch done. I came on to this video to show you guys my latest concept that I just completed. You guys, I am loving these boxes that are nestled inside each other. It really gives me an opportunity to just create, multiple baskets at one time, just kind of building on the same concept and making it larger. I'm loving that aspect about using these nestle boxes. So let me show you what I have created using these boxes. And these are the 4 different sizes of boxes, starting with small, medium, large, and extra large here. And so I, of course, built on the concept that they were blue. And I had several of these little crossbodies and this is kind of like a little, it's a mini crossbody that has a place where you can put your ID and stuff in the back. So it's not a full crossbody like these two here. But anyway, in this one, I put the little crossbody. And this is one of the perfume sets that I got from... I think I got that from Roses. Yeah, I got that from Roses a while back when I had got several of the perfume sets, and I showed it to you guys in a video that I had did. And so I used that perfume set, one of the tumbler cups that we have, some of the sunglasses that I showed you guys that I got from Temu. I think these came from Dollar Tree. I got a couple from Dollar Tree, white ones, and then I got some white from Temu. But anyway, I put the hoop earrings on the little jewelry stand that I showed you guys that I got from Temu, and that completed that concept. Then I went on up. This is the next size up. It's pretty much the same concept. The only thing I added in this, as you can see, is the body wash and the Dove cream and a little bigger crossbody. That crossbody was one of the crossbody wallets that I got from Walmart when I did the Walmart clearance haul. I think that one came from last year, though. That was one of the ones that I got last year in my Walmart purse haul. On up to this one. Next up is another crossbody from Walmart. This perfume set came from Roses. And then I think it either came from Roses or Rainbow. That may be right. No, it's Roses. That's the Roses perfume set. Then some of the sunglasses from Temu, and of course the watch set that we got from Walmart. So that completed that concept. And last but certainly not least, I had this bigger box, and so I ran out of the blue crossbody, so I used a white one with the tumbler cup, the sunglasses. I put some of the earrings in from Temu, and then the lotion came from the Dollar Tree. Some Dove. This is some of the Dove that I just got the other day from Walgreens. And then this bath and foot crystal came from Pop Shelf. Oh, and one of the loofahs, I just got that from Dollar Tree in those sets that I got the other day. So all these 4 were, like I said, they were nestled inside of each other. So I went ahead and completed this concept. But I had a few more blue boxes, so let me show you. I have one more that I created with a different blue box, so let me show you that one as well. Okay, so I also have some of these, they're more square boxes. I found several of these in my attic as well, and I'm starting to work on these concepts. But I went ahead and completed this one to kind of go along with this concept here, because I had this purse that I got from Walmart during the clearance haul that I did a few weeks ago or a month ago, where I got all those purses from Walmart. I paid $5 for this purse from Walmart. This is another one of the watch sets from Walmart. That's a Bath and Body Works Island Shore set. It's the lotion and body wash, and then another pair of the sunglasses from Dollar Tree. So like I said, here, these are all of the little purse and crossbody sets that I've done so far. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any more, because I do have a few more of the white crossbodies. So I'm gonna see what I come up with. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you guys these. I thought they turned out so nice. And I'm gonna get ready to get them wrapped up, put nice bows on them, and get them set for selling. You guys tell me what you think. I think they turned out very, very nice. It took me a little while, especially on this last one right here. This one kind of was a little challenging for me, pulling the pieces together for it, but I think it turned out well. The other ones went pretty quickly. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show this to you all. And maybe this will be helpful helpful to you. And maybe if you have some of these same items, you can pull this together for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.